Hi, I'm that guy. You know that guy? The guy that gets sucked into all these online businesses and lose their shirt? Yeah, that guy. Well, this is what I was promised, okay? Thousands and thousands of dollars. But they're pesos. Like, it's not thousands of, it's like $30. And I got sucked in again. Anyways, at least I'm glad I got something to eat anyways. Oh, here comes that Mr. Chipper guy. Well, thanks so much for the enlightening intro, Mr. Buzzkill. Hi, my name is Greg King, and welcome to my video on how to make money on YouTube without making videos, and how to go from zero to hero with an affiliate business, or as Mr. Buzzkill said, how to go from hero to zero with don't be a Mr. Buzzkill, okay? Just don't be a Mr. Buzzkill. So in this video, I'm going to share with you, okay, you get 30 seconds, okay? And then that's it. This is my video, okay? 30 seconds. So I took this course. It was put on by this self-made millionaire who's like 12 years of age. I'm 65 and retired. And he's old enough to be my great-great-grandchild, and I just start giving him my money. You know, how it works was this. Like, it's just insane how I just get so sucked into all these great plans. Like, how to make money on YouTube without making videos, and how to become a gazillionaire working 2 to 3 days a month and owning a hot book. This guy's still in grade 7. He doesn't even know how to work. He's still in elementary school. I mean, this is how it really should be. Is make money on YouTube without making videos, how to go from hero to zero with an affiliate business and suck in old people and grab their money so I can go have fun in 4 years when I can afford my driver's license. Oh, and yeah, all these customers, look at all my customers. They're like right across the board. I've got like zeros upon zeros, and it's just awesome. Not only that, you want to see my bank account? My bank account after this last affiliate one, I have tens of dollars in my account. Look at that. I got 7 tens of dollars in my account. Like, thank goodness he's got his hot resort that's in trust because he can't get it for another 9 years. And I've got some hot Kraft macaroni and cheese, and that's about it. That's it. Okay, so I gotta say, isn't it uplifting to hear people complaints and bitching at all their failures when they really didn't put an effort into it? Now, in this video, let's get back. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 24-hour ranking system that I fell paths across this amazing gentleman that's been in the business now, I think, for about 20 years. I've been following his steps and his 24-hour ranking system for about 3 months. Oh, by the way, he's not 12. I think he's 48, and has been doing this for a ton of years. Then I'm going to show you some examples of how powerful this 24-hour ranking system is, and this 5-step program. And in a moment, I'm going to give you a link in the description box and also on the screen that you can actually take a look at this and to see if what Paul says makes sense for you, makes sense for your business. Don't listen to the other guy, because he's going to tell you. Anyone that asks someone who doesn't know, and they'll tell you all about it. That's basically it. Okay, now that being said, the gist of this conversation and the gist of this video is twofold. And that is, in every business, the common denominators are 1, lowering your ad costs, and 2, being in front of bona fide, red-hot buyers. And I came across, as I mentioned before, with Paul Murphy about 3 months ago. And I'll back it up a little bit. I was born and raised in Vancouver, Canada, and had a real estate company in Vancouver, and went through the great times and the boom of real estate, and also through the not great times when the recession hit the U.S., then back to great times again. So it's very reciprocal. It's real estate. And the number one cost of my business was ad costs, whether it be in the media, in print, or online. And had I known about this system that Paul has, that he actually ranks businesses on the first page of YouTube, the first page of Google, and the first page of the Google carousel, literally immediately. He says within 24 hours. I've done it within 2, so he's being pretty conservative. And I've got examples where I've done it in under 5 minutes. In fact, I've done it in 2 minutes. And what happened is I have a real interest in marketing and what makes people tick. And the big thing that I found out is I want to help people with their businesses get in front of other people. Do the old belly to belly, but not physically belly to belly anymore because of this COVID-19 thing. People's buying habits have drastically changed. In fact, over 75% of all buyers now, and they're bona fide buyers, will go to Google first, then they will back up their decision by going on YouTube. And this is where Paul has actually found the key to both ends of the pendulum. And he has found the key of ranking on Google and YouTube. Now, a couple of myths. You have to be in front of the camera. No. 99% of YouTube videos are behind the cameras because, honestly, look at this. Do you really want to see that in a health commercial? No. Secondly is you don't want to see this mug shot when you're getting a car loan or a mortgage or some kind of product or service. Next is you got to have a ton of subscribers, which is not true. And you also have a ton of views. And one day you'll get on the first page. It could take 3, 6, 9 months to organically get up. Now, organically means free. And I'm going to show you right now to dispel the first myth is I have at this time 13 subscribers. I could have a couple more. I could have, maybe another handful more. It doesn't really matter. The idea is it's not about traditional YouTube thinking. Now, traditional YouTube thinking says that if you're going to be successful on YouTube, you got to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing. Then YouTube, like AdSense, will look at you, and then for every, I think, 30,000 views, you get $100. Now, at my age, I could be 6 feet under before I get all my residual funds. I mean, that just takes too much time. I found a white hat or a very honest shortcut. And what the shortcut is, do exactly what Google says, and they will rank you immediately. And you can see here after just 10 videos, and I want to stop there again, and that is, this is not a magic pill that you're going to have success and you're going to see the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. I mean, there is one if you do hard work, but you know what? It comes right back down. You need to do some hard work, some elbow grease to make this work. It is not something that is going to magically appear. So I want to be really transparent on that. Now, that being said, you can see how when he talks about the 24-hour ranking system, I did it here on YouTube in 2 minutes, which went to 3 minutes on Google search and in the carousel or the billboard in 2 minutes. Now let's face it, people, 75%, mentioned again, 75% of the world goes for Google for the first search. Now these are not people that are kicking tires. These are people going specifically for an item. Now imagine if you're on the first page of that search, your business. And you can see here with Paul's steps. Well, I just followed Paul's steps. I mean, why recreate the wheel when he's already got it? So I had a stranglehold on the carousel. Here's another stranglehold in the carousel. And here's another, basically, I've got like tons of photos of how I've ranked literally in the top everywhere just using Paul's system. And you can see here, the first key, and this goes a little deeper into the video that I really strongly invite you to watch. When you have an ad here, that usually means the search is worth money. because people aren't going to be spending ads if they're not getting return. After that ad, literally, other than one guy who's got 2 ads out, I've strangled the first page of YouTube with my search. What we always laughed about in real estate is what kind of success would we have if we were our own competition? I mean, this is a prime example of it. And even here, you can see where I'm on the first page of Google search. I'm here on YouTube. I'm once again on the carousel, stranglehold, the YouTube. Now, if you have a business and you're selling drones, you imagine if you're the only competition on the block, like how powerful would that be for your business? So when you press the link that I provided in this video, you're going to come to a page and it's going to allow you to enroll into a 90-minute training call with Mike and Paul Murphy. And it's a great value. And what you do is hit the register for this free event, and it could take a moment just to make sure that there's availability. And then all you do is put the date, your time zone, your first name, and your email. Register now, and it's going to enroll you in probably the most effective 90 minutes for your online business that you're going to see to improve your traffic flow and reduce your ad costs. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it informative and of value. And once again, I'm going to leave the link in the description box and also in the screen so you can take a look what Paul Murphy has to offer. Are you going to be looking at it as well, or go away, just leave me alone? I can't afford any more courses on self-pity. I'm kind of getting a gut feel that probably means no. Anyways, don't be him. Check it out. See if it makes sense. You be the judge. You decide if it makes sense for your business and see how it could actually increase your business dramatically. Now, in the meantime, please hit the like button, the subscribe button so you won't miss another one of my videos, and also leave a comment below, and hopefully we will see you in the next video. You have yourself a great day.